Welcome students, this is the second part of today's video, applying the text effect. The text effect buttons in the font group allows us to apply different effects to the text in a document. The steps to use these options are as follows. You have to select the required text and open the home tab. In the font group, click on the text button effect. A list of available text effects will appear. Point over the different text effects to see how each effect will change your text. And fourth, then select a desired text effect. By clicking on it, the selected effect will get applied to the text. This is the various text effect option, which type of option. Then you have to select one by one and then it will be applied on your text. Next is highlighting text with color. The text highlight color button of the font group allows you to highlight a piece of text in a document just as a real highlighter will do. When in exam you use highlighter to highlighting some headings or some important terms, then this way you can also do in your MS Word document. Okay, the steps to do this are as follows. Select the text that you want to highlight in your document and open the home tab. Click on the text highlighter color button arrow to see the different highlighted colors. Move the mouse pointer over the different colors. You will notice that the selected text gets highlight colors accordingly. Select any highlighted color by clicking on it. The selected text will become highlighted. So I will show you how. First you select. I have already selected it. From that, using the mouse you have to select your text and then you have to click on that text highlighter. This is the text highlighter. Click on that and there is a look, this type of, okay, which color options is looking good, then you have to apply on it. Okay, if you want to this type, this, then you have to click. Okay, now that is a text highlighter effect. Okay, that will be highlighted color. By clicking on it, the selected text will become highlighted. Next is the changing text case. The change case button in the font group of the home tab gives you 5 options to change the case of the typed text. There are as follows: sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case. The steps to use the change case button are as follows. Select the required text whose case you wish to change. Click on the change case button in the font group on the home tab. Third, select a required change case option from the drop down menu. The text will be rendered into the selected text. The clear formatting button. Okay, no. So how you can change case? So one sentence case means capitalize the first letter of every sentence. Lowercase, each letter of the text appear in the small letter. Uppercase, each letter of the text appears in the capital letters. Capitalize each word means the letter of every word of the selected text is in capital. And toggle case will reverse the case of character in the text, that is uppercase letters will be in small becomes lowercase letters and the lowercase letters will become a uppercase letter. So how you can change? First I will show you. First I clear this. So how you can clear? You have to select it. This is the highlighting I am applying and you have to no color. Then okay, done. Now I am typing that 4 lines, so I want to select this and this is the change case options. What? Sentence case. So look, that sentence case means capitalize the first letter of every sentence. Look. First I type lowercase, all that is in lowercase. Then sentence case means capitalize the first letter of every sentence. Only the first letter of every sentence will capitalize. And then I have to uppercase, everyone is in capital letter. Okay, and then capitalize each word. Each word first letter will be capitalized. Okay, my, am, best, be, friend, F, is, I, Sachin, S. Okay, and then you have to click on the toggle case. So toggle case means reverse the case, which is in capital converted into small case, and which is in small case converted into capital. So look this. Okay, this is the toggle case. I will show you again. This is the toggle case, and this is the capitalize each word. Okay, each word, my M, best word B, word friend F, is I, and Sachin S. Okay, and this is a uppercase, everyone is looking in capital letter, look that, and this is lowercase, everything is in going on lowercase, and this is sentence case, only the first letter of the sentence is converted into capital letter. Okay, so this is the change case option through which you can easily change. Okay, look, click on that, and then if you want to capitalize each word, and if you want to toggle case, look, small case converted into lower, and lower case converted into capital, sorry, small letter converted into capital, and capital letters converted into small. Okay, I think all of you understand. And next is the clear formatting button. The clear formatting button allows you to clear all the formatting you have applied to the text, leaving the text in its original condition. Okay, the steps to use these features are: select the text whose formatting you want to clear, then click on the clear formatting button. All the formatting applied to the text will be removed. Okay, so how you can change? First I change some highlighting also I am applying. Okay, so how you can clear, then which text formatting you want to clear, then you have to select it. If I select all that, and then this is the clear formatting button. Okay, this is the clear. Okay, this is the clear formatting button through which you can easily clear all that formatting. Okay students, I think all of you understand. That is for that video is over for today, and this is your homework. That activity you have to write the name and purpose of each formatting button shown below. So do this in book and mention today's date. Thank you. Have a nice day.